Well, there you are. Between 70 and 100 days since we put these in. Since they're Yukon Gold and Pontiac Red. And this morning, I noticed we got some yellowing going on some of these. That's a good sign. We either got voles in there or they're done. You were with me in February when we planted these. Riley, but I keep telling you it's about temperature, it's not about time. And the temperature does feel right. If you get any frost on them at all, they're gonna die back. Now they can handle it maybe once or twice. What do we see? Let's plant potatoes. This is what I was thinking. This new bed was gonna have the newest soil on it. We're gonna go ahead and plant our potatoes. Since we're not gonna dig them into the ground, we're gonna do them roost out style. We're just gonna lay them on the ground, we're gonna cover them with mulch. This is how we like to plant potatoes. Just a couple days ago when we succession planted garlic and onions to make sort of a border around the new potato bed. I'm just gonna dig the mulch back, we're gonna lay them on the ground, we're gonna cover them back. We've been very successful doing it that way. If you've been following my story, you know we really have a chance that we have some voles in here. This is the newest part of the garden, so we'll see what we get. But this is a race against time. Planted these in February. Kind of want to see what we got here. With the rain that we've had, as deep as the mulch is, I don't know if we're going to be able to just actually pull these out of the ground. Yeah, we might have to harvest everything before the voles get them. That's been eaten. That's tragic. I'm gonna get what I can out of this. The rest of these look pretty good over here, so hopefully they haven't gotten too far. I put down quite a bit of castor oil. Nasty little critters have been in here. And it is a race against time. Some of these hills are just fine. Decent sized little potatoes. No gnaw marks. And then some just absolutely have nothing underneath them. So, well, like I always say, sometimes you eat the bar, sometimes the bar eats you. Well, look at that. Now that's what you're supposed to be able to do when you don't have critters helping you out. You just grab the plant, there's your potatoes. Just like that. I'm also gonna put down some castor oil, real heavy right here. I did find some what looked like trails in there, but it seemed like we had some decent sized potatoes right against this wall. Doesn't look like this row was affected yet. So I'm going to take a chance to let those grow for a couple more days. But take a look at what we got so far. Out of those 2 rows, it's not the world's largest harvest, but I guarantee you, those are going to be tasty. I thought there was some damage in this group. I didn't think it was quite time, but we're within that 90 to 100 days. We got some pretty decent sized potatoes here. So I'm pretty happy. I wish we could have got potatoes off every plant, and I wish the skins that I found in there weren't eaten. That's gardening for you. If we notice anything else starting to droop back, we're going to go ahead and harvest the rest of these. For right now, I do see a couple flowers. And these actually went in on the 25th. These went in on the 2nd. But I do want to get these up by next weekend because I do intend to plant sweet potatoes over here, at least some. You're welcome to leave a comment down below and tell me you can get these cheaper at a store. Not worth my time. Well, I think it is worth my time. I know what these are going to taste like, and I know they have no chemicals on them. But you're right, you can get them cheaper at the store right now. And if I actually was living off these, I'd make sure there weren't any voles. I'd go medieval. But I don't want to. I'm just having fun out here, and we do it because it tastes great. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.